Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 19 about comparatives and repeat the reading out loud. My family is greater than other families. I live with my family. I am shorter than my brother. I am more well-built than my brother. I am smarter. I have 2 siblings. My brother is 15 years old. He is younger. He is taller than me. He is chubbier too. My sister is younger than me. She is 17 years old. She is shorter than my brother. She is slimmer. She is more beautiful than her friends. My father is 60 years old. He is older than us. He is taller than us. He is thinner than my sister. He is friendlier. My mother is 59. She is more responsible than my father. She is shorter than us. She is plumper too. My parents are more affectionate than us. We are happier when we are together. I have shorter hair than my sister. My brother has shorter hair than me. He has bigger ears. My sister has bigger eyes than my brother. She has longer hair than us. My father doesn't have hair. He is balder than us. My mother has curlier hair than us. She has smaller eyes than us.